Oh, you okay, Haley? Oh, good girl.
I made it.
You made it. Can
no,
you?
I didn't.
You almost did. Try it again.
Okay.
Just don't lean backwards. There you go.
Can you hold on to my baby for
Okay.
a second before I get on?
Yeah, I'll hold the baby.
Baby, you want to put it on my knee?
Okay. There's the baby.
Thank you. No! I made it down!
You did.
I want to go up too. You want to go up too? I want to get some help.
Okay.
Wow! Are you okay, Will? You can't get up here. Now, can I go up again?
Do you want to go down, Will?
That was bad, guys.
Is your bum hurt?
A boat.
It is a boat.
Let me get my baby place right there. It is. That will. This one's really fun. You get to move them.
Oh. It's okay.